Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi everyone. So today, my group will present to you our assignment proposal for subject ACC 2043 Financial Accounting. So first of all, I would like to introduce to all of you our group members. The first one is Ahmad Johan Hanafi bin Muhammad Nazri, which is our leader. And the second one is Wan Danish Faik bin Muhammad Dasuki. And the last one is me, Muhammad Imran bin Iskan. So, to begin our presentation, I would like to introduce to you our business. Our name of our business is Golden Floor Sdn Bhd. We are a manufacturing company that processes raw resources to generate things for sale in a factory. Typically, the manufacturer will sell these commodities as finished goods to a wholesaler as partially finished goods to another manufacturer. As an example, our company makes bread based on two expenses, direct and indirect costs, and then mostly on raw materials. A manufacturing account is used to determine the cost of production. It can also be used to illustrate if the factory made a profit or a loss. This is to see if it is feasible to create its own items. All of this is to see if we should bring together materials that have been proven to be in good shape, such as our company. So the background of our company is the company business is around the production of raw ingredients such as wet flour, water, yeast, and salt. We decided to start this business since there are a lot of little bread businesses around us. And it's a simple business to start for a new entrepreneur. Aside from that, we could simply bring our product to any shop and sell it there. We can promote our firm to a larger audience using such methods. So our missions is the first one is we are interact with our society by baking delicious breads of our family, friends, and neighbors. The second one is ensure that our bread is in perfect shape so that our customers are happy with our products. And the last one is we aspire to become the most popular bakery in every neighborhood where we operate. So for our vision is for our short-term planning is return on investment is less than 2 years. And beside that, our long-term planning is to open new branches in Malaysia and to establish a well-known baking brand name on an international market. So for the next one, I will let Wan Danish Faik to continue.
Thank you, Kate, for giving me an opportunity to continue the presentation. Next is we will talk about product information. The Golden Flour is the name of our product. The factory creates this product using high quality and fresh ingredients. The following are the ingredients stated in relation to our monthly product cost. First one is flour, cost 5,000. Second is water, cost 1,000. Yeast is the third item for which cost 500. And salt is cost 175. And next is sugar, cost 200. Next is manufacturing account for the year ended 28 February 2021. First is direct material, which is purchase of raw material, followed by minus closing inventory, and we will get raw material consumed. Next, we will continue with direct labor, which is labor, salaries, and wages, plus direct expenses, which is royalty, and we will get prime cost with total 60,150. We will also have factory and overhead expense, which is indirect material, general worker salaries, rent and rate 7,000 multiplied 3 over 4, electricity 100 multiplied 4 over 5, and depreciation plant and machinery 20,000 multiplied 10%. We will get production cost. And we also need to minus closing work in progress to get production cost of complete goods. And next we will plus manufacturer profit, and we will get cost of goods transferred, which is total 31,213. That's all for me. Next I will give the presentation to Johan.
Thank you, Wan Danish Faik, for giving me opportunity to continue the presentation. So next is cost per unit and selling price. So for our menu is white bread and whole wheat bread. So for the cost over unit is for white bread is 3 ringgit and for whole wheat bread is 5 ringgit. Next, selling price. Our selling price for white bread is 4 ringgit and whole wheat bread is 6 ringgit 50 cents. And our expected cost monthly is 2,500 multiplied by RM 3 ringgit, and for whole wheat bread is 2,000 multiplied by RM 5 ringgit. Next, expected sales monthly, 2,500 multiplied by RM 4 ringgit, and for the whole wheat bread is 2,000 multiplied by RM 6 ringgit 50 cents. Lastly, expected profit monthly, for white bread RM 2,500, and for the whole wheat bread is RM 3,000. Okay, for the next part is statement of profit or loss for the year ended 28 February 2021. First, we got sales minus by written inwards. We got net sales. Next, less cost of goods sold. Cost of goods transfer minus by closing inventory finished goods. And we got cost of goods sold. And net sales minus cost of goods sold, and the amount is 6,770, and plus by manufacturing profit. Next, revenue, discount received. Next, expenses, administrative expenses, office rent and rates, 7,000 multiplied by 1 over 4, office electricity, 1,000 multiplied by 1 over 5, salaries and wages, depreciation furniture, 5,000 multiplied by 10%. The last one is selling and distribution, advertising, salesman salaries. And we got no net profit, which is 4,495. Next is statement of financial position at the end of 28 February 2021. First, we got non-current assets, plant and machinery, and furniture. Next, we got current assets, closing inventory, raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, account receivable, and bank. Next is financed by capital, add net profit. Next, non-current liabilities, which is loan bank. And the last one is current liabilities, account payables. And the amount is 69,600. So for the conclusion, I will continue to Imran.
So thank you, Johan Hanafi and Wan Denny Faik for the presentation. So to summarize our assignment proposal, most people believe that bakers are just persons who mix ingredients together and bake them. Bakers, on the other hand, are trained scientists. Bakers must know how much of each ingredient to use, how long to mix, how long to bake, and what temperature to use in the oven, among other things. You need a lot of experience and knowledge to be a competent baker. Overall, baking is as much a science as it is an art. We are confident that Golden Flower Sendirian Berhad will try to maintain its profitability in the future. We will make certain that every employee in this organization is fully committed. Golden Sendirian Berhad, for example, will only sell fresh, high-quality products to its customers. As a result, buyers will be more likely to buy from our factory. At the same time, not only customers but also managers and employees will be paid on time. Plus, if sales rise, you will get a bonus. Finally, Golden Plus India Bernhard hopes that our company will continue to grow and prosper in the future. That's all from us. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.